Meaning of germinate.
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 Germinate. Germinate refers to the process of a seed beginning to grow and develop into a plant. This process is triggered by the right conditions, such as warmth, moisture, and nutrients. As the seed germinates, it begins to send out roots that anchor it in the soil, and shoots that reach up towards the surface. The result of successful germination is the establishment of a new plant, which will continue to grow and mature over time. Overall, germination is a crucial stage in the life cycle of plants, enabling them to reproduce and sustain themselves.